Today's highlighted coin is the 2025 Buga Sphere. Chris's 2025 release, Buga Sphere, reproduces the inscriptions found on the surface of a newly discovered sensation. On March 2, 2025, a 20-inch sphere composed of an unknown metal zigzagged through the sky before landing in Buga, Colombia, killing all of the surrounding vegetation. Needless to say, its discovery has caused an enormous stir among scientists and UFO proponents alike. The orb remains in Colombia, having been X-rayed and now is undergoing scientific testing and study, although the National Autonomous University in Mexico is purported to be involved with the project as well. Researcher José Luis Velázquez stated that the orb has no seams. Their observations regarding the ball's behavior and composition have left the scientists with more questions than answers. Apparently, unlike a 100-watt bulb that emits heat, the sphere constantly absorbs 100 watts of energy from the surrounding atmosphere, and water placed on the orb evaporated instantly, as though the surface were hot, yet it remained cool to the touch. And it has been said that it has continued to absorb energy from the environment since its discovery. As some prognosticators have suggested, if this phenomenon could be harnessed, your refrigerator could endlessly generate its own power. Another conundrum that remains unresolved is that the Buga Sphere purportedly increased its weight from 4 pounds to 20 pounds while sitting on a calibrated scale in a laboratory. Another story states that after being analyzed by Elon Musk's Grok 4 AI, it was agreed that the orb has the ability to manipulate mass. Apparently, Grok 4's analysis also concluded that the sphere contains an engineered lattice network that produces a negative mass effect. This is an unknown phenomenon. It would be like changing the weight of an object without adding or removing anything measurable. Another problem was that initially, no one could decipher the writings etched on the surface of the sphere. Investigators tried to determine if it was any form of ancient writing, possibly Sanskrit, hieroglyphics, cuneiform, the Vedas, or Paleolithic. Nothing matched. Later, it was stated that the figures were translated by AI and are alleged to say, the origin of birth through union and energy in the cycle of transformation, the meeting point of unity, expansion, and awareness of individual consciousness. This provides more information which cannot be simply interpreted on face value, but there are people who suggest this translation may relate to a number of things, including the environment, religion, or metaphysics. Could the Buga Sphere of Chris's coin be the UFO that people have been searching for decades? Maybe. Only time will tell. In the meantime, enjoy the incredible journey. Chris issues 2 new proofs each week, which are available for a limited time. These proofs come in a presentation box with the certificate of authenticity, as shown here. They're also available in BU, Brilliant Uncirculated versions, which are only stamped once, and they come in copper as well. You can check out all Chris's Silver Shield proofs and all things Silver Shield on ChrisDuaneSilverShieldCoins.com.